Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj. Tuesday, December 7th, 1999, 8 am. As long as possible, continue to write, my child. In all this mass of messages, there should be some that will hold the attention of those who will read them. Even if they do not make it their favorite book, certain truths will perhaps possibly touch them. Do not worry. All these pearls will not be lost. What emanates from the divine is affixed a seal, and one day or the other, now or in another century, somebody will be interested and will give them all the attention they deserve. A novel can be lost, forgotten by all, but all these lines which you are writing day after day under our inspiration will have their own existence and will be able to touch the hearts of our brothers for generations to come. Even if they must remain hidden in a drawer for several decades, they exist and have not been written and printed for nothing. We know that such is not your concern. You do what we ask you to do with utmost surrender. We have your confidence, which in addition to love are states that make you gifted candidates capable of reaching the highest levels. Be blessed, Babuji. Same day, 10 am. Do not worry about respecting the schedule. There are requirements that you must respect, like that of receiving a seating. It is another way of communicating with us. The work of the prefects is admirable. It requires some sense of abnegation. Attending to a great number of abhyasis takes much time and patience sometimes. Working for the Master requires some sacrifices. It is a choice to be made with full knowledge of the facts. It is a kind of vocation. Make sure you do not see any special distinction in the fact of being selected as a prefect. It is a service being asked of you. To be in Master's service is an opportunity given to you and which must make you humble. On no account should it flatter your ego. You should learn how to appreciate it at its true worth. Playing an active role in a movement of this scale is a grace. Serving one's fellow man is another one. It is up to you to use it as well as possible if you are concerned. Your being an abhyasi benefits the mission as well as yourself. Babuji.